Hi, I am IT PhD and today I'll tell you how to control your path of your Windows, and it's a very unusual thing which you could use if you wanna, for example, to use two different compilers of the same type. For example, here I have very old compiler from 2000 year, and here the same compiler but much later version. And now if I, for example, I wanna compile this code, so our tutorial in C language, let's compile it. You see it's compiled with a modern 7.5 compiler, and if I run it, it works. Why? Because right now it's using this modern compiler, and I wanna to use old one. How to do so? You could run it just manually from this location, which is not really handy, but you could actually go to the path and change your environment variables. Here go to the path, edit, and there we have kind of priority list. So this one, it's my old compiler, which I want to use right now, and this one, it's my new compiler, which used right now. So there is a possibility to move stuff up and down. And you see, I moved up my old compiler, and now I changed its priority to bigger. So now this stuff have more priority, and it will run if we will use this alias. So let's write OK, and let's try it again. PowerShell. Yeah, you see, now old Borland from 2000 here, version 5.5 works, and you see it gives you lots of errors and warnings because it's kind of old version. And it has different rules. It's what I want to talk about in our next video. So it's how you could change priority of your environment in your path variable. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll make more interesting videos.